Understanding Fabric Softener, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used household term, fabric softener. This video will help you understand what it means, how it's used, and its context in everyday language. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of fabric softener. Fabric softener is a popular laundry product. Its main purpose is to make clothes softer after they are washed. It also helps reduce static cling, makes ironing easier, and often adds a pleasant fragrance to your laundry. Fabric softener can come in various forms, like liquids, sheets, or beads, and is added to the washing process in different ways, depending on the type. Using fabric softener is simple but varies based on its form. If it's a liquid fabric softener, it's usually added to a specific compartment in the washing machine during the rinse cycle. Dryer sheets, another form, are added to the clothes in the dryer. It's important to follow the instructions on the product label to get the best results and avoid any damage to your clothes. In everyday English, the phrase, fabric softener, is not just limited to laundry. It can be used metaphorically. For example, someone might say, "This music is like fabric softener for my soul," implying that the music has a soothing or calming effect. Understanding such metaphors is crucial for English learners, as it helps grasp the language's nuances. I hope this video has helped you understand what fabric softener is and how it's used both in laundry and as a metaphor in everyday English. Remember, learning a language involves understanding both its literal and figurative uses. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro in no time. See you in our next video.